Guys, a very warm welcome to one and all present here, and a very happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. And our honorable Mahatma Gandhi here to tell you about the importance of this day and the main person whose birthday is celebrated on 2nd October every year. So we should know these things. So actually, he was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. It was not only that he freedomed our country, but also that he was a very great person. So it's our duty to know about him and inspire from him. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit incidents and a little bit his childhood things that will inspire. So guys, it was not that he freedomed our country, but also he was a very great person and had a very great importance a long back years ago. So he is important for us now also and will be forever. So it's our duty to, especially on this day, to know about him and to inspire from him, because his path, the path that he chose, was the best path of non-violence. So today I'm going to tell you some of the importance about it. To make people realize that the biggest war can be won through peace and non-violence. Let me tell you an incident of Gandhiji. But once, the real classroom, not talking about the classroom like we are having nowadays because of the corona outbreak, but the real classroom that we had in school times. So might be it happened that you had not done the homework or any classwork, and teacher had scolded you and asked to copy it from the next boy, his partner. The same thing happened with Gandhiji. Now, what would he have done? Now, let me tell you. The same thing happened with Gandhiji. Teacher asked him to copy it from his partner. He said, I will do on my own, but never copy. Straight away denied to that. He said that I will not copy. So, this is the inspirational. So, we should inspire from these things. So, guys, this tells us that he was sincere from his childhood only, and he served his parents from the core of his heart. He was very loyal. He was so interested in studying, he even got to England for doing LLB. It's a type of course. He even went to England for studies, and he was a great social worker. He worked for the welfare of poor people. Even studying in England, he went to nook and corner of the world and helped poor people. So great he was. He himself didn't want any comforts. He didn't want any luxuries. He didn't want any comfort. He was a very simple person, and for helping these poor people, he even went to jail many times. He keep continuing. He never refused to do that. He always worked for the welfare of the people, of the poor people, and he was against this discrimination of the social groups. So, inspire from these things. So, guys, let me tell you one more incident, a very inspirational incident, a heart-touching incident of Gandhiji. So it is very good. It's a very great incident, and it has taught humanity to many people. Happened, guys. Gandhiji always worked for these poor people. So once he had to go South Africa, so he went there and he had to fight against fight against these courts. Okay, guys. So he fought that also. He will not come back until he fight that discrimination, until he make that poor people get rid of that discrimination. He promised that. And guys, he even got to jail for these things in South Africa. And so what happened, guys? So that case he fought, he won that, and he was very happy. But what happened, guys? In South Africa only, some political parties against whom he was fighting, that political party make him injured, and they were caught also. So the police asked, what should we do for them? So he asked for a punishment. What punishment should be given? But our great Gandhiji said, let them off. Do not give them a single punishment and let them off. So after facing this situation also, he got so mercy on them. So very great person. He was a very great person, and we should inspire from him and follow his path. If we follow his path, we can never fail. And guys, one more thing may I tell you. If you don't follow Gandhiji's path and reach success, it's not always the right path. But if you follow this path and reach success, it's always the right path, because the path of truth is the best path. So our great Gandhiji freedomed our India, got so inspirational thoughts to our India, and I feel very sad, actually very sad, because some of the people do not even respect him. Do not even respect him. I feel so bad about them that Gandhiji is not respected by them. He was so great. So guys, spread this awareness. Spread this awareness of great thoughts to everyone. Everyone. And guys, I know that these thoughts, these things are not going to set in your mind immediately, because it is not easy to do that. To follow his path is not very easy. So it will increase day by day. Start from baby steps, and then gradually rise your thoughts, and you will see the change yourself, the change in yourself, the feel of goodness you feel. So inspire from these things, but try to acquire these things. So guys, what can you do for these things? For like even you talk with your friend, like previous week only, let me tell you one of my incident. Previous week only, one of my friend said me thank you. So I asked him to not to ever say thank you, but help three people and ask them to help other three people. I very well know, guys, you would have helped thousands of people till now, but that's not that you would help three people and set them to. This is a great thought that you can spread as much as you can. So, what happens after realizing these great thoughts? You would keen to know more things about it. So this increases the person's curiosity about our great thoughts. Gandhiji's path was the right path, and I very well know you would have seen many pictures about Gandhiji and the various thoughts he says. So might you, if you have not seen, I recommend you to watch, because many of the pictures has Gandhiji. And guys, like if you are not, like I have seen many students that they do not even follow these paths, but I want all of you who are seeing my video to follow his path. Might be not followed so strictly, but add them in your daily life. So it's very good. See, do not see is it of Gandhiji or not. The main thing is you should acquire these great thoughts. Not only Gandhiji wrote these great thoughts. Not even he said that follow my great thoughts, but he said to follow the best path, the true path. So, as I told you, that it will not happen rapidly, but it will increase gradually. So try your best, try your level best, and see you will feel the change. I am not saying to just stick to it, but just add a little bit of it in your life, and we will achieve our success with Gandhigiri. You might be very hungry, and every 2 hours you would need something to eat. I am very well sure that you would need, in even not 2 hours, but in 3 hours you need anything to eat. So let me tell you one more incident. You might be know the incident of Jallianwala Bagh, the firing at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. If you don't know, you can surf of Google. So you can surf on Google and know what was firing at Jallianwala Bagh, in which many people were died. Okay, so those people who do not know, I will tell you a simple thing about it. Like Jallianwala Bagh, firing Jallianwala Bagh was many people. A commander fired at many people. British commander fired at many people, and a lot of people were died. So, guys, to know this, so when most of the people died, and when Gandhiji came to know that this has happened, he was shocked that how so many people died, and he started many movements also. For that, he got onto hunger strike thrice. He got onto hunger strike thrice, and do you know what is hunger strike? You would know fasting, but it's fasting onto death. Until he dies, he will fast. So, very great thing, and he had done this thrice. So, it's incredible and cannot be thought. It's unbelievable that he got onto hunger strike. So, even you need so much things, he never lived in some comforts. So then also he could manage with these all things. So he was very great person. And guys, you would don't know. And one more thing, may I tell you, he also walked for 240 miles with thousands of Indians. 240 miles. Okay, might be you not know what is miles, but it might be more than 300 kilometers. So, and with thousands of Indians, it's very difficult, guys. It's very difficult, and we should salute to our Mahatma Gandhi ji, that how great he was. Guys, I've seen many students always think negative. They always think I want to be first in class. Okay, they feel sad that that student is so good. See, never see your negativeness. You would think that Gandhiji also was a very great person, but he was very great, but he was not so good in studies. So the main thing does not matter your studies, but your greatness, but how good you are, and you should be a good person. Before this studies comes your goodness. So before studies you should be a great person and a good person. Yes, you should study hard, but before that you become a great person or good person. Guys, if you surf on Google also, guys, Gandhiji was suffering from a various diseases. He was suffering from a various diseases. Even then also he gone to help others, and didn't want any luxuries or comforts. Why? Because his aim was to become a good person. Not that he studied in England, so he just not think about the poor people. So he fought many times, and because of that only we are here. We have got freedom. So respect this person. And guys, his Gandhiji's mother tongue was Gujarati, and he had two brothers and one sister. You should know these things. You would know Mahatma Gandhi, but let me tell you one thing, that his original name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he was given the title Mahatma by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was also a very great person. He was a Nobel Prize winner Bengali poet. Guys, Gandhiji never won a Nobel Prize, but he was nominated 5 times. And guys, one more thing, you say, increase immunity, and eat nuts, eat this, eat proteins, and but guys, one incident. Let me tell you of Gandhiji. Gandhiji also ate these things. Gandhi also ate these things, and after seeing that he's having health problems, he again got to strict vegetarianism. So the thing that he said, that the thing that these things to eat is doesn't matter, but what suits to you. Every food item doesn't suit you. There are certain things that suit you. So he said, not everything suits a person. Like nuts and almonds and these things didn't suit him. He sometimes, when he traveled, he took a goat with himself. You would find it very strange, but he ensured that his milk, the milk he is getting, is of goat and not of buffalo or cow, and he wanted fresh milk. So he took a goat with himself. So he had a very different thoughts, and these thoughts also inspire us. And guys, they were very shocked to see Gandhiji. Guys, the government nutritionists, they were called in to inspect and to explain how Gandhiji is able to not able to fast for 21 days also. Till 21 days he is able to fast. So how it could happen? So it was very strange, and see, he didn't had a very good diet, and he was, yes, afterwards he able to took a diet, but in between he had to do hunger strikes and all that. So guys, even doing all these in going in tension here and there, and checking, ensuring that every person is getting rid of discrimination. So it will be very difficult, and this duty was done by our great Mahatma Gandhi. And guys, he fought against Britain, and after 21 years of his dying, they honored him with publishing a stamp. So they honored him. So see how he made his villain also his friend. So very great person, and the best thing he learned to make us learn is that the biggest war can be fought with peace, and you need not every time fought every war with violence. So inspire from it. And guys, the most important thing that you should know, that he died on January 30, 1948, and at accurate 5:17, when he was coming from his morning prayer. So he died. How he died? He was shot dead by Nathuram Godse, and he was coming from the Birla temple. He was coming from the Birla temple. He was completing his morning prayer, and he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. And the last words he said at the time of dying was, "Hey Ram." He said, "Hey Ram" at the time of his dying. Very great person. And guys, even if his great soul is watching us, I would say him a very happy birthday, our Gandhiji, and give a salute to this person. He was the greatest person. He was a very great person, and guys, you inspire from him. He was a very great person. So this was my session, and I want to tell you just these things. But I would not end this session like this.
भाई मुझे तो बरसों पहले मार दिया था, पर मेरे विचार 3 गोलियों से नहीं मरने वाले। जमाने बदलते रहेंगे, पर मेरे विचार किसी न किसी भेजे में केमिकल लोचा करते रहेंगे। अब आपकी मर्जी है, चाहो तो मुझे तस्वीर बना के दीवार पे लटका दो या मेरे विचारों पे विचार करो। चलता हूं।
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आधी बैठी रे। वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे। हो झूठ का बढ़ता जाए राज ओ बाबू, अपने ही हो गए धोखेबाज। आज हमें अपनों से बचा ले, आजा रे बापू मेरे। जान ये हो गई सस्ती रे, सोया जमीर बापू फिर से जगा दे, आजा रे बापू मेरे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
So guys, I have prepared a very nice video for our great Gandhiji and with a very beautiful song. So here's my video. And this comes to an end of our session. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will soon be uploading more videos. Please do like and subscribe my channel to get updated of my latest videos. Thank you.